Welcome, here I've got VIVO Y72 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button so we can open the advanced camera settings. And here at the third position we have mirrored selfie option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn off and turn on our camera mirror effect. We have short info from the device that is mirror left or right when the front camera is used for photography and video shooting, so of course remember that to make it work we have to change back camera to the front one by using this button from the right. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.